This is a handheld nylon zip tie machine. We now have a customer-supplied, multiply 3.6 by 120 tie wrap with reverse teeth. The machine is equipped with an air tank, so that the air supply will be more stable. Our gun is also very light, just 1 kilogram. By means of the air hose, it is possible to recycle the cut waste into the waste container. It prevents waste from spreading all over the place. Suitable for assembly lines, the nylon TIs are transferred the gun body through this air hose, facilitates assembly line operations. Adoption of Shinji's touch screen. Machine speed at 0.7 seconds apiece, 1000 to 1500 strips an hour, depending on the worker. The whole machine is very simple, very stable. This machine is suitable for work on the line board, assembly line work, air conditioning, automotive appliance wiring harnesses,